Pure tungsten strip provided by our company has a purity of more than 99.95%. It is made of high-quality tungsten strips after rolling, stretching, cutting and polishing. It has no scratches, no delamination, good metallic luster, good flexibility, standard flatness, good durability, excellent mechanical properties and high heat resistance. Pure tungsten strips contain all the excellent properties of tungsten, and its application fields are very wide, mainly including semiconductor industry, microelectronics industry, solar energy industry, optics, vacuum coating, lighting industry and medical shielding materials. More specifically, due to its high melting point, low thermal expansion coefficient and low risk of contamination, pure tungsten strip is often used as a high-temperature contact or thermal insulation material as well as an important component in electronic tube production and X-ray technology.